We have a problem that states one big apple is equivalent to two small apples. The question asks how many small apples are equivalent to two big apples. As a parent, you might explain like this. One big apple equals two small apples. Now we have two big apples. Each one big apple is equals to two small apples. So let's count. How many small apples here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 big apples equals to 4 small apples. However, when you look at the expression of the young students, particularly those in the first or second grade, they seem confused. You go through the counting with them again. 1, 2, 3, 4. They still look puzzled. You begin to wonder which part they are not understanding. As a matter of fact, it's not the counting that confused them. There are few confusion, the equal. For them, equal implies the same. So they might be wondering how big it's the same as small, and how 1 is the same as 2. It just doesn't make sense to them. So why does it make sense to us? It's because we have the experience to understand that the problem is actually saying that one big apple can be exchanged for two small apples. We, as adults, have implicitly translated mathematical terms equal to the concept of exchange. This process happens so quickly in our mind that we are not even aware of it. Younger children, however, may not have enough experience to automatically infer the meaning of the equal sign in this context. So when we explain such problem to young ones, we need to ensure that they understand questions thoroughly. We need to communicate in everyday language and avoid relying solely on mathematical terms. So revisiting this problem, it is essential to recognize that the students' lack of understanding does not stem from their math skills. They know how to count very well. They can count just fine. The issue is that they don't fully understand the concept of equal as used in this context.